It is currently 7:22 and yeah, we're going to Billund and we're going there with DeWALT. Look at this dodgy guy. Dodgiest guy in this airport, 100%. That is the best, honestly, the second best hot chocolate I've ever had in my life. Lovely. Lovely! Why am I saying that, man? I've got a window seat. The only negative about this flight is I'm sat next to this guy. Nah, it's good. But yeah, hour and a half flight, window seat, see you on the other side. If anyone knows me, I don't like flying. Don't like flying. You hold my hand?
It's gonna be okay.
I'm not scared of flying. I just want to hold your hand. I just want to hold your hand. So windy.
That is probably the worst land I've ever had.
We're alive. Just arrived at the airport and yeah, got myself my tag by DeWALT, all waiting for us over there. But yeah, getting the shuttle now to our hotel, which, yeah, come on, buzzing. Getting on the Viking bus. There you go. Arrived at the hotel and there's a casino attached to it. Dangerous. We have arrived. Look at us all. Look at TJ here. Hey, what's going on there, lad? Yeah. We're taking over. Ansela is actually finished, boys. Look at that.
How much are you paying us for helping with that one?
That is goals, that. Can you go down here or not?
Yeah.
I'm actually going to go down. This looks... Oh, that is sick. This is sick. Oh my God, look at this. Now this is gold. This is what I want. That is cool. Look at this. I wish my cellar was this big. That is unbelievable. This is cool. Actually, can take some inspo from that. Just got my room, number 264. Let's show you my room, see what it's about. Very good. Ah, yes! Wow. Look at all these DeWALT goodies. This is, how am I going to get all this home? Oh, this is cool. Oh, look at this DeWALT bag. I absolutely love that. This is so cool. Oh, what are these? What are these? Let me check this out. Actually, so cool. Oh, look at them. Oh, they are so cool. Check those out. Look at that. Nice drink bottle. Nice vacuumed bottle. DeWALT socks. DeWALT t-shirt. Glasses. It's a little Bluetooth radio. Earmuffs. I love this bag. This bag is cool. Oh, I love it. Forgetting my DeWALT cushion. Yes! Actually, a really nice room. Honestly, I feel so lucky. Thank you so much, DeWALT, for getting me out here. Absolutely buzzing. Just landed this morning. Literally, this is DeWALT heaven. Absolutely, check it all out. One of these are on my wish list, 100%. Check this out. 54 DeWALT battery. close it, cutting your lawn for life.
Tomorrow's the big day for me. I'm saving myself.
Just walking through the bits where we can actually use all the tools and stuff. Cool.
Right, just UK team, just come over here a second because everyone's got
The UK team. The UK team. Pick it up. It wasn't me.
Never seen it ever again.
I've never even seen these multi-tool blades before.
If you want to just head down this end, just
New.
Protected, so all the new stuff.
Oh, is that a little one?
Small one. Cool bit of kit. New second fix nailer. That's what I'll be having. Look at the size to the old one. These are the best for drilling doors out, these spade bits. I also like these as well, but I do tend to split the doors when I use these ones. Can I just say, that nail gun is such an improvement just by using it there then. So nice. Can't wait to get one. Cut that one out. Not gonna lie, you will see one of these on my channel very, very soon. I want one of these so bad. Beautiful. East of a battery. Whoa.
Yeah, I want to put your finger in that. That's sick.
Oh, we're done for the day, yeah.
I'll get them done, yeah.
Done for the day, boys.
Yes.
Has the day been pinpoint?
It's been amazing.
Has the day been, buddy? We've had a good day. We've had a good day. Precision. Have we had a good day, lads?
It's been amazing.
We've had a good day. We've had a good day, haven't we,
it's been
boys? We've had a
absolutely
good
amazing.
day. Right, where's this coach? We're going on the coach. So I just got back to the hotel room after, oh my God, got up at 6 this morning. I've been non-stop doing lots of filming all day, using brand new tools at DeWALT, and it's been an absolutely awesome day, watching so many demonstrations. It's been class. Gonna go down now, probably gonna go in the hot tub with all the lads, and yeah, get ready for dinner pretty soon after, so yeah, see you all later. Good morning. So today is actually, we're doing our challenge today, and just found out what we're doing. We've just been given a brief. We've got to build a skate ramp. Yeah, UK team's been split into 2 teams of 6, but we're against the Nordic team and a few other teams, I'm not too sure which. But yeah, let's get down to it and let me show you what we've got to do. Got to build one of these ramps. We're the best team for it anyway. We've got top build, we've got precision, we've got D5. Ah!
We'll get there. Is that looking good?
We got the angle. Cooking with gas. It's kicking off.
Come on, boy!
There we go.
Yeah, come and get him.
So that ramp building challenge was absolutely brilliant, and to be fair, losing to Team UK, the other team was, yeah, I'll take that one on the chin. But yeah, we came second. I've just gone back to the room, had a shower, and now we are going go-karting. So yeah, and there's a prize for the winner of this. So I'm taking no prisoners. I'm gonna try and win. Let's see how I do.
Because it's not a business.
Oh, it is actually a lovely morning at DeWALT World, and it's actually the last day. I have actually got to be at the airport in the next hour. But yeah, last night we had like an evening meal. He shared with us a video that with all the activities that we've been doing all over the week, and the DeWALT team did go to the casino, and I did manage to win a little bit of money, which is good. Look at this guy, dodgy guy. D5 guy. Such a nice guy, Matt. So this is crazy what happened. So I won £4,000 in the casino on the last night, and I got paid in 500 Danish krona notes. I tried to get them exchanged over there. I got a rubbish exchange rate, so I thought it'd be better to get it changed over in the UK. From being back in the UK with that money, not one travel agent will let me change that money over because they will not touch them notes. So I've got to fly back to Copenhagen, get the money exchanged over, and then fly back. So yeah, you've probably seen this now. I've been back to Copenhagen, got the money changed over, and yeah, I'm back home. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.